But before going home, after claiming my running kit here, I ordered frap. Yeah, frap. Before going home, after claiming my running kit, I will have some milk tea first. I ordered coffee Partea large size, and that's 34 shekels. So I'm just waiting for it now. Here's my order. Let's taste test outside. Let's try outside while walking because I will walk going home. So I need something cold because it's summer. Yay! Taste test. Taste test of my drink. From T-Bar, this is coffee Partea. This is my first time to order this flavor. Is that right? This is my first time to order this flavor. This one is the large size, 34 shekels. It's coffee Partea like that. So I'm hesitant to order something with coffee because I drink coffee a while ago during breakfast, but I don't want to order Tiger, the one that I like, because I tried it already. I want to try something new. So here. Ooh, let's see. Let's taste. But it looks good. See? Looks good. Let's mix it first. One moment. You first. Sip. Finish? Okay, it's my turn to shine. Thank you, Lord. One moment. One more. I like this one. I like it, but I cannot bite the boba pearl because of my dentures down. But this tastes really good. It's sweet and a little bit bitter like that, but it's a very good combination, and I just like it, and it's creamy as well. So there. So aside from Tiger, this is one flavor that I like also from T-Bar. So I will rate this at 9 out of 10. So that's all for today, guys. Bye bye. Going home. 2 days before the night run. Yay! Two days before the night run. Yay! Yay! Let's go!